They put me in contact with Intermountain, and I talked to Cade, and in that conversation he talked about a battery backup, and it was the battery backup actually that got me more interested. And then when he said that battery was Tesla, then it was even more peaked above that. To summarize, and then I'll go into detail, I think my only regret is that I didn't go for the 2 battery option. If I had 2 batteries, it would have been perfectly fine. I think I would have been 100% of the year. Knowing that it was still a large cost difference, it would have been cheaper to have done 2 than getting another one later. The cool thing about it is, since I've had it, there was one time where our street did not have power. It was at night, and I was away from the home, but my family was here, and I got a text from my next door neighbor who has solar but does not have a battery backup, and said, "Your house is the only one glowing on the street, and I'm sure people are going to know now that you have a battery backup, or at least wondering why you have power and no one else does." And when I called my wife to say, "Hey, I guess the power's out," she's like, "I have no idea." I mean, there was no change. And that's the cool thing, is even when it goes from the grid to the power wall, it is so fast that I don't even know what's happening. And they always say it's so fast that the clock on your microwave doesn't change. There's no change at all, and it is remarkable. And so knowing that approximately 11 p.m. Every night, it kicks in on the battery, and all through the night I'm using the battery and not the grid. I can watch my movies, I can stream the internet, I can do whatever I'm doing, and it's awesome.